of the day. In this video, I'll try to make the length of the video as 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and we will try to discuss some model questions over here. So I'm going to the question over here, and the question says, a man spends 75% of his income increased by income. If his income is increased by 20% and expenditure is increased by 10%, find the percentage increase in the savings. So they are asking for percentage increase in the savings. And we clearly know that if we want to find percentage increase or decrease or percentage of anything, we will be writing down in the denominator, we will be writing original savings. For this question, it is original savings. And in the numerator, we will be writing increase or decrease in the savings, which is multiplied with 100. So this is, we will be using this thing, which we have been discussing in the previous classes, and we will be answering this question. Okay. And the question says a man spends 75% of his income. I am telling you 75% of income means it is 75 by 100, which means let us say his income is 100. He is spending 75 rupees in that. If income is 1000, he is spending 750. If income is 10,000, he is spending 7,500. In such case, savings will be, guys, you can take this as spend, and savings will be from 100 he is spending 75 rupees, so saving over here is 25 rupees. Now the question says if his income is increased by 20%, which means 100 is increased with its 20%, guys. So we can say 100's 20%. We will be calculating here 100, which is increased by, which is added by its 20%, 100's 20%. This is the expression, guys. It will become 120. So I can write down over here 100 is increased by its 20% becomes 120. I can say new income of that person is 120. After that, we will have to check further question, and expenditure increases by 10%. The question says expenditure increases by 10%. So 75 was the expenditure, and its 10% will be 7.5, and this is increased by 7.5. When 75 is added with 7.5, it will become 82.5, guys. 75 plus 5, 80 plus 2.5, 82.5. This is the new spending, guys. Now we have to calculate expenditure. That expenditure will be 120 minus 82.5, guys. 120 minus 82.5. If you remove 80 from 120, that will be 40, and 2.5. If you remove from 40, then you will be having 37, 37.5. You will be having 37.5. This is the saving over here, guys. The question says, the question asks, find the percentage increase in the savings. If you see, original saving was 25, new saving was 37.5. There is a change in the saving, guys. How much change is there? 25 to 37.5. 25 rupees initially the person is saving. Now the person is saving 37.5. That is 12.5 rupees he is extra saving in this case. 12.5 rupees he is saving, guys. So if we use this formula and find percentage change in savings, we'll be finding like this, guys. It will be originally how much he is saving, original value, originally he is saving 25 rupees. That is taken as the original saving in the denominator. And now his increase in savings is 12.5. That will be taken in the numerator, which is multiplied with 100. So if we cancel this 25 4 times and 12.5 into 4, it is 48 point, it is 50%. Yes, it is 50%. So that person is saving his half of the or his save, we can say that person's saving increased by half, 50%. So you can see 25 is his was original saving, and half of that one, that is 12.5 is half of that one, that is 50% of his saving is increased, and it is becoming 37.5. So answer for this question is 50%. The percentage change in savings will be 50%. You can ask any doubts in the class, guys. If you are getting any doubts, you can go back and watch this video. You pause the video and understand it. To save the time, we are going to the next question. Okay, this question says this is application of percentage and profit and loss topic, guys. That is why I usually say you please learn percentage topic with you please learn all the concepts of the percentage topic, because percentage topic will be used in profit and loss, used in time, speed and distance, everywhere in all arithmetic topics, guys. So that much important is this percentage topic. Okay, application question. A man sold a watch at 20% profit. Okay, and if he had sold it for 80 more, profit would have been 30%. Find the cost price of the watch. Fine. So let us consider, guys, cost price as 100, because uh, we will be taking the help of percentage, that is 100, to answer this question. We are considering that cost price is 100, and he is selling at a profit of 20%. Then selling price will be, guys, 100 is your cost price, and you want to have 20% of your cost price as the profit. Then I can say 120% of CP will be taken as the selling price base. So selling price is taken as 120% of CP. This is the selling price, because question says that fellow is going to have 20% profit, and also says if he had sold it for 80 more, profit would have been 30%. Acha. So I can say one thing over here. When 100 is the when 100 is the cost price, if you want 20% profit, you are selling it at 120%, right? Of CP. When you are if he had sold it for 80 more, okay. Now, guys, when here selling price will be something, right? For that selling price, if he is adding 80 rupees more, then he is going to have this much profit, that is 30% extra, 130% profit. Then can I think like that, right? Like this, right? From 120 to 130, there is a change of 10 percentage in profit, and that change is due to this 80 rupees addition to the selling price of the article. You please catch this point once again. When firstly we are selling the article at 20% profit, that means we are selling the article at 120% of the cost price, and nextly we are adding some more amount to the selling price, and we are getting 130% of profit base. So what I am trying to say is, from 120% to 130%, there is a change of 10 percentage in profit, that is happening due to the 80 rupees addition to the selling price. So I can consider that 10 percentage profit addition is done due to 80 rupees 80 rupees addition of the price. Then I can say 1 percentage value will be 8 rupees. 1 percentage value will be 8 rupees. And I have considered that 100 percentage is my cost price. Then I can say 800 rupees will be, because percentage value is 8, then I can say 800 rupees will be the cost price of the article, because percentage value is 8. How I found percentage values? From the given hint from the question. So the answer